My wife Sarah spotted it. How far up, Sarah?
It's at least 30 feet, Jack. It's the real Mr. Bean car.
Climbing a tree. For a Mini Cooper. Vlog life. He's securing the chassis.
Praying 15 years in a tree didn't snap the frame.
Airborne. Down after 15 years in Banyan prison.
Look at this absolute disaster. Mr. Bean is not driving this away.
A whole ecosystem was inside this dashboard.
Welcome to the operating room, guys. Look at that flag.
Jack's deep cleaning. Time to see if there is any paint left.
Sucking out an entire reef. 15 years of saltwater buildup. Lug nuts are seized. Total battle. Saltwater wins the first round. Rotted clean through. There is no metal left to fix. We are fabricating everything. Team hoist. Time to pull the heart. Salt completely ate this carb. Engine is toast. Total rebuild. Salt completely ate this carb, taking it all apart. Engine is toast. Total rebuild. All right, guys, time to spend money on USA parts. New steel floors. USA steel going into a British Classic.
Grinding it smooth. He is meticulous. USA fabrication. New floors are solid. Foundation is done.
Block back from the machine shop. USA components ready to build. Yellow top going on. He's torquing every bolt. Heart transplant ready. Looks factory fresh.
Smoothing the panels. Prep is 90% of the job. USA filler.
Sanding and sanding and sanding. Block sanding for that perfect body line.
Getting ready for paint. USA tape. Jack's spraying the famous matte black hood. Woo! Look at that definition.
Paint reveal. Absolute flawless glossy green and matte black. Dash and gauges going in period correct. USA parts.
Chrome is arriving. He's polishing everything. USA logistics.
The final, most famous Bean detail, the specific padlock latch. USA drill.
From a Tsunami Banyan tree wreck to showroom perfection.
And the final guest, Teddy is ready. USA built Teddy.
Putters along beautifully. Listen to that tiny engine roar. USA built. Thanks for watching The Rescue. God bless America.
And subscribe.
Guys, look at this legend. We did it. Totally restored.